Hello friends, my name is Prasad, physical science teacher.
Okay, now we learn about proteins. Shravya was weak, so the doctor suggested her to take milk, egg, and pulses every day. Can you guess why he did suggest so? Which components do they contain? Yes, they are rich in proteins. Proteins are required for the formation of muscles and other body organs. So, they are called body building nutrients. They regulate biochemical reactions in the body. Proteins repair and heal the wounds on the body. They help to build the immunity against diseases. Observe the pictures: meat, fish, egg, milk, soya beans, pulses. These food items are rich in proteins. We get proteins from meat, fish, eggs, milk, pulses, soya beans, etc. Our traditional food items like pesaratlu, minapatlu, garelu, vada, punugulu, sunnundalu are rich in proteins. Milk, meat, egg, fish are the major protein sources from animals. Are proteins present in all food items? How can we confirm the presence of proteins in a food item? We can do a small lab activity for this confirmation. Aim to confirm the presence of protein in egg white. What you need: 2% copper sulfate solution. It made up of dissolve 2 grams of copper sulfate in 100 ml water. 10% sodium hydroxide solution. It is also made dissolve 10 grams of sodium hydroxide in 100 ml water. Take an egg, test tubes, 2 beakers, dropper. How to do? Take few drops of egg white in a test tube. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. Once again you see, take a few pieces of egg white in a test tube. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. Shake well and keep the test tube in a stand for few minutes. Observe for any change in the color of the material. When protein reacts with a mixture of copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide, it turns violet, indicating the presence of protein. What you see? The egg white turns into violet color. What you learn? Protein is present in egg white. Now test the below materials to find out the presence of protein. You take a food item, soya bean flour. In this, protein is present. You take ghee. In this, protein is absent. You take milk. In this, protein is present. After doing the above test, you will come to know that proteins are not present in ghee, what would be there in it? There have the fats. Now we learn about fats. When we eat curd rice, our palm becomes oily. Why does it happen? The paper used to pack bhaji or pakoda etc. becomes translucent here and there. Why? The butter present in the curd makes the palm oily and the oil present in the bhaji, puri etc. make the paper transparent. Oil and butter have fats? We are very familiar with the fats in our daily life. Let us know about them. Our body uses fat as a fuel source. So they are also called energy giving nutrients. In fact, fats give more energy when compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Observe the following pictures: butter, ghee, almond oil, cooking oil. All the above food items are rich in fats. Make a list of some more such food items. By doing simple test, we can confirm the presence of fats in a given food item. Test for fats. Fats are usually oily in nature. When we place the food with fats on a paper, the paper will become transparent totally or partially. Okay, for this we can do an activity.